Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to bring you something a little different today, and that is a Walmart spring haul. I know that I have brought you a few different brands here, mainly Shein because I have an obsession, but there have been so many cute, very cute spring looks that have come out this season from Walmart. And everything that I picked up is from the brand Scoop, and their clothes are so stinking cute. So everything I'm going to show you is in a size 2X, and that is what was recommended on the website to me according to my measurements, and they didn't disappoint. So definitely pay attention to the measurements and what is suggested as the size, because 2X all around didn't disappoint me at all. So yeah, let's start off with this first outfit that I have on, and this is a two-piece outfit. It is the top, which is runched down the middle. It has like a tie here, then the spaghetti straps, and the ruffled bottom, and it's so dainty and cute. Now, I don't know, oh yeah, you can see if I step closer. So it is a green and white pattern going on. There's like little green daisies or some type of flower. I'm assuming daisies, but some type of flower pattern all over in this lime green color. And then it's like a white background, I believe. Or maybe the other way around. Either way, it's green and white. So also the bottom is this cute flirty skirt, and it has a wide elastic band at the top. So like some shearing going on here, but it's so stinking comfortable because of this wide band. And then the skirt, I was afraid that it would be too short on me, but it dips down in the back. So I don't have to worry about anything hanging out because of the way it kind of dips in the front and the back and goes up on the sides. Perfect. So I just want to show you everything. Yeah, so this is the outfit, and I'll do a little spin around so that you can see all the details of this cute two-piece set. All right, so next is this beautiful, I don't know the exact color that it's called, but it's like a lime green dress. And this is the color. The color that's on trend right now is bright colors, and this is one of the main ones. So this color I think looks so great on African Americans. I mean, it just does something. The brown, pretty brown melanin skin and this lime green, it just does something. So this is a slip dress, and I don't know if you can, okay, you can see. Okay, so this slip dress, now it does like do this wrap detail at the bottom, so it adds a little something to it. It's not just straight up and down. I actually cinched it with a belt just to give it a little something more. So you can wear it that way, or take the belt off, and or you can just wear it straight up and down. So as you see here, I think that it's straight. It doesn't do a whole lot for my figure, but I have seen so many different fashion hacks that you can do. You can put the little bracelet or earring, I don't know which one they're using, but put this here and like cinch it up so it does this little O-ring thing over here. Or you can cinch it in more like this, or you can just use the belt and like I had it. So there are different things that you can do if you don't want to just wear it like this, but I think this with a cute blue jean jacket just as is, so cute. Now I did pick up a shacket, and I'm going to show you that with this dress. I don't think I would wear it with this dress, but I'm going to show it to you with this dress just because I didn't get anything else to go with it. So here's the shacket, and I don't know what color this is. I think it's like a yellowish color, but it kind of goes with the green. I don't know, it blends in, but it is kind of a heavier weight like a winter jacket would be, but I like this for the spring as well. I mean, it gets cool in the spring, even summer at night. You have those cold or colder summer nights, so it can transition into the spring, maybe even the summer. So anyway, yeah, I think this is so cute. I love the zebra print. Now, this is the only thing that I did not get in a 2X. This one I picked up in a 1X, and that's because it was on clearance. So I'm not sure if this one is still available. If it is, I will link it in the description box, but the other items are available. So this one, I don't know, but everything else is a go. So yes, anyway, this jacket I think will be so cute with, I mean, you don't have to do much because there's a lot of detail in the jacket. So you can just pair it with a nice white tee and some jeans, and there you have it. You can throw on some heels to dress it up, or throw on tennis shoes and go run errands, whatever you gotta do. So I love them both. So lastly, I am going to show you this denim romper jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it, but I wanted to show you the details of this jumpsuit because that is what I am so obsessed with. Now, every other jumpsuit, romper, all denim ones. We're talking about the denim ones here. Now, everyone that I have come across so far, it would have the regular, as you see, the regular buttons down the front, and no. This one, the bottom is made like regular denim shorts. It has a metal button closure like you would on denim shorts. Also a zipper right here. So when you pull it, you know, get your arms in, what you do is you just fasten it like it's regular shorts or jeans, and then you can button up the shirt. Now, another thing is, look at this. It covers the buttons. So even if you have that, you know, area where it's like puckering, it covers that up. Now, as you see, it's still kind of doing this little pucker thing here. I don't know what that's about. It fits very well as far as the feel of it, but I think that it wouldn't hurt for me to go up a size maybe. I don't know. I don't know. But there is some stretch to it, so that's why it doesn't feel uncomfortable. But I would like it if it were a little looser right here in this middle section right here. I don't know why it's like that. I am almost 100% positive that I did pick this up in the 2X. So to go up to a 3X, I don't know. I feel like it would be too baggy down here, but I don't know. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll try it, you know, buy the 3X and then just return whichever one, you know, that I don't like, or keep the one that I like better. That's a better way to say it. But anyway, this is the jumpsuit, and I will do a spin around so you can see the back as well. All right, so this is the end of my Walmart haul. I hope that you enjoyed and that you come back for many, many more fashion, lifestyle, crafting, beauty, all of those things that I bring to you on this channel. And yeah, I don't know, maybe I should do another brand next time, because this was a new one for me. I think I've been sleeping on Walmart. I really have. So let me know in the comments if there is a brand that I have not brought you that you're interested in. So maybe I'll do that next. We will see. But anywho, that comes to the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye.